Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can wash your pets in Heartopia. So if your favorite furry friend looking a little dusty after a long day of exploring, so in here I'm going to show you how you can give your pet the ultimate spa day. So first you can just find your pet in here. For example, I have gray in here. You can just click on the paw icon and then you can see there will be this clean options at the top. So just click on that. Click on the shower icon again. And now you'll be washing your pet like this. You can just wait until this is full. So click on this again. Okay, so you're still showing it until this is the is full. Okay, I think this is the last step, drawing him. Okay, so after this your pet will become cleaned and your carrying frequency will be increasing. So that's pretty much all. That's how you can wash your pet in Heartopia. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks.